Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
Hi and welcome back. Today I'm giving my kitchen a good deep clean because I noticed that the cabinets were getting pretty dirty and I wanted to spend some time in here today focusing only on the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome, and thank you so much for watching. My name is Jenny, and I'm a mom of 3, and my goal here on YouTube is just to help people create clean and calm spaces for themselves and their families. I do this usually through cleaning videos, organizing and decluttering, routines, and stress and anxiety management videos. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel today and join me on this journey.
Even if the sky is falling down.
As you can see, I'm just starting by unloading the dishes that were in the dishwasher and loading up all the ones in the sink. And there were a few that I needed to hand wash, so I went ahead and hand washed those afterwards.
But we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
And as I was scrubbing this baking tray, I noticed that some of the food would not come off of it, and no matter how hard I scrubbed, it wouldn't come off. So a little trick that I have for that is to use the little scrubbers that you can buy, and it has this little flat part on the edge, and if you just scrape that against the pan, it should loosen up any stuck on pizza crust or anything like that without scratching the pan since it's plastic. So that worked really well. And now I'm just cleaning out my sink using my Mrs. Meyer's dish soap and the Snowdrop scent. Deep cleaning a space in my house is just something I like to do probably about once a month, once every 2 months. I do like to do a good spring cleaning in the spring and then a fall cleaning in the fall because those are times when I will entertain in my house and I like everything to be really, really good and clean. But before those times, I also like to give it a good deep clean, like maybe just go through the kitchen and make sure I get the cabinets and not just the countertops, or go through the bathrooms and make sure I get like the showers really, really good instead of just spraying it down with the shower spray. So that's kind of how I like to deep clean, just every now and then when I notice that things are just getting a little bit too dirty. Let me know in the comments, when do you guys like to deep clean, or do you have a cleaning routine that involves deep cleaning rooms occasionally?
Cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone.
And now I'm just going to remove everything off of this kitchen ledge and go ahead and clean really good the window and the ledge. And I'm just using my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the Iowa Pine scent. And honestly, I've just been using this cleaner the past few days to kind of use it up. I had it left over from Christmas, and I'm really looking forward to getting all the new spring scents. But I had a little bit of this left, so I am using it up while it is still officially winter.
Just tell me, why did she go?
now I'm just going to get these dishes put away so that I can clean off my countertops.
Whoa. Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa. Just tell me, why did she go? You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
And here again, I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray, and I'm cleaning off the top of my Keurig. And I also like to clean out the little tray at the bottom that catches the coffee, because that definitely does get dirty. And so I'm actually just going to throw it in the dishwasher, and that way it'll get really clean, because there's a lot of stuck on liquid coffee. I can't remember if I did or not, but I really hope I ate that avocado that day, because it is like really extra ripe. So hopefully I ate that, because it is definitely looking ready.
Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through.
And whenever I do a deeper clean of my kitchen, I always make sure to get the Backsplash, because there is a lot of grease on there and splatters, and so I like to go ahead and get that Backsplash as well as my counters.
We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you.
You got me, got me.
This bow just seemed a little bit too close to the flame, and it seemed like a safety hazard to me, and it totally does not need a bow, so I went ahead and just took that off just to be safe.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too. Hey, I've been dreaming about you. Every night I see you clear as day. It's just something about the way you make me feel. 'Cause I can't concentrate anytime you're beside me. Yeah, it's what you do to me. I can barely breathe. Hey, I've been
And for my cooktop, I will usually start by just spraying it down with the all-purpose spray, just to kind of see what I'm dealing with and if there's anything stuck on there. Usually there is, so then I'll move on to the barkeeper's friend, and that is what I'll use if there's any like stuck on dirt or boiling water stains or anything on there. So that's why you see me cleaning it with the Mrs. Meyer's, but then you also see me cleaning it with the barkeeper's friend.
what you do to me, making my head spin in circles, and how you move.
had just a few little things to put away over here before I could clean off these counters. And I went ahead and put away some things into my little office drawer in my kitchen. And then these are some leftover supplies from when I decluttered and organized that office drawer. And so I'm just gonna go store those in the garage real quick.
It's what you do. It's what you do. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you move with your body's giving me purpose. It's what you do to me, making my head spin in circles. And how you
And if it seems like I'm talking a little bit less in this video, it's just because I'm getting used to some new equipment, and so I'm not really sure how everything works yet. And so this is the first video that I'm just kind of trying it out and trying to figure it all out. So thank you for your patience. And let me know in the comments also, do you prefer less talking and more music? Because I will definitely create these videos however you guys like them, so that they'll be as engaging and enjoyable for you as possible. So let me know if you like more talking or more music. And thank you so much in advance for the feedback. Now I'm using the Wyman stainless steel cleaner to clean off all the stainless steel in my kitchen.
I wanna hold you close, but you know my mind is torn up. I never thought it'd be like this. We're like a broken record, 'cause we always mess it up. Even though we say we never do that, so here we go, acting like we do. We say things that are not true, but somehow I'm still here. I'm addicted to the way you make me feel. I've been trying to get away, but you're like chemicals, chemicals, and I don't know if what we have is even real. All I know is that you're in my head, like chemicals, chemicals, oh wow, oh wow, oh chemicals, chemicals, oh wow, oh wow, oh chemicals, chemicals, chemicals.
And something on my to-do list for the kitchen was to update my menu board. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that really quick so that I can get it back up on the fridge.
'Cause when we touch it feels like we're like fireworks that burst into the sky. And then it's all like that, so here we go, acting like we do. We say things that are not true, but somehow I'm still here. I'm addicted to the way you make me feel. I've been trying to get away, but you're like chemicals, chemicals, and I don't know if what we have is even real. All I know is that you're in my head, like chemicals, chemicals, oh wow, oh chemicals, chemicals, oh wow, oh chemicals, chemicals, chemicals.
And today I'm cleaning off my cabinets with a microfiber cloth and the Method Wood for Good cleaner in the almond scent. One of the projects that I have for this summer on my content calendar is to paint my kitchen cabinets. So I'm really excited about the way they're gonna look. It's just gonna look so much brighter and more airy in here and kind of go better with the rest of our house, because we don't have this color wood anywhere in the rest of our house. So we have walnut floors, and then we have some walnut furniture and also some gray furniture and white furniture. But we don't have this particular shade of cabinets or wood anywhere in our house. with this sort of orange undertone. And so it'll be really nice to kind of neutralize that, and I'm really excited. But I am saving it as a summer project because I want my big kids here to kind of help me with the baby so that I can get it done, because I know it's going to take a good bit of time and work on my part. So, but I'm really excited about the way it'll turn out. So one of these days you're going to see me cleaning my kitchen and all the cabinets will be white.
So here we go, acting like we do. We say things that are not true, but somehow I'm still here. I'm addicted to the way you make me feel. I've been trying to get away, but you're like.
And thank you for all the wonderful suggestions for the subscriber choice videos. You guys are awesome. I am so grateful for all your suggestions, and I'm definitely putting them in my content calendar for this year. And I do still have some open slots, maybe like 3 or 4, I haven't checked, but please go ahead and drop them in the comments. Just let me know what you would like to see me film this year. It can be at any point in the year, it doesn't matter, and I will go ahead and put it in my content calendar because I love making videos that I think you guys are gonna love. And so I definitely want my content to reflect my interests, but also reflect what you guys want to see, because you guys are the ones building this community. So I just really appreciate it, and thank you so much for letting me know all these great ideas. And this right here is my favorite mop. This is my Light and Easy Steam Mop, and it is so lightweight, but it does such a great job of getting off all of the kind of spills you would see in a kitchen, you know, like liquid things that have splattered and then stuck on the floor, just really stuck on dirt, and like, you know, it could be spaghetti sauce, I don't even know what it all is down there, juice, I don't know. But it does such a great job of getting rid of all those with the steam, and it just pulls it right up the floor, and I just absolutely love this mop. And if you want more motivation, on the left you'll find my kitchen drawer declutter and organize video, and on the right is my entire Clean With Me playlist. So thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you guys on the next video.